Hi, Judy, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel, your resource for all things wellness and healthy living. I'm an influencer, a blogger, and a YouTuber on all things healthy living for women. Join me in my home in Solana Beach, California, where we'll go into my home gym and you can follow along with great workouts. We'll go into my kitchen and we'll make something light, healthy, super easy. And then join me on the blog for all things wellness, skincare, style, beauty, everything a girl needs to live her best, most amazing life. All right, see you on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com.